I just wanted to do a really quick, using some of the bits that I got from the gift sets that I got the other day from Bobbi Brown. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette, which is absolutely lovely. So this is the Luxe Encore eyeshadow palette, Burgundy. So that's the palette. It's so lovely, really, really nice. So you've got like a couple of, they're all kind of like rose goldy shades, and then you've got like a deeper burgundy shade as well. And I've just created like a really kind of like subtle shimmery pinky look, which is pretty much like around my everyday look, but like with a bit of sparkle, because you know, festive season and all that. But I really, really love this look. And I have also used the cream eyeshadow sticks, which are just so easy to use. Like honestly, these are amazing. As you can see, I've swatched them on my hand already. Then finishing off with the smoky eye mascara, which honestly, this is like one of my favourite mascaras. I love this mascara so much. I feel like I don't rave about it enough, but it's such a lovely mascara. So let's get started with this look, and you can see how you can achieve this little subtle shimmer. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is start off using the cream eyeshadow. I'm going to take the shade Taupe, which is just a nice mid matte brown shade. You can see that. This shade is a good base for me, so I just put this all over my lid and my crease. This basically acts as an eyeshadow primer, but also just a nice base shade. Take a fluffy brush and just blend out the edges, only the edges, because it just, once it sets, it's set. And for me, that's just like a nice everyday, if I just wanted like a wash of colour on my lids. I really like these eyeshadow sticks because once they set, they do not budge at all. Sun's made me look all golden hour-ish. Then I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow palette because it's just so lovely. So I'm going to take this shade here, Ruby. So again, it's going to look different on different skin tones. So on my finger, it looks quite pink. But when I put it on my lids, it's just like a nice, it's a really nice like subtle rose gold. It just looks so elegant, and I'm just putting this one with my fingers, by the way, because it's the easiest way. So you can see the pink coming through. I'll just put this all over my lid. And these are like buttery soft to apply, like so nice. I just think they get a bit lost if you put them on, if you use a brush. You can use a brush, but I just like to use my fingers. The other side I'm going to do it with a brush, just so you can see that you can use a brush, but I just prefer to use my fingers. Then I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to dip into this golden pink. I'm just going to pop that in the centre, just to kind of give a little bit of a halo effect. Okay. Then I'm going to take a pencil brush. I'm going to take this shade here, Pink Tile. I'm just going to add that in my inner corners just to kind of highlight. It's a really pretty sparkle, you can see. This flat brush again, a bit of this shade here, Cabernet. I keep on calling it Cabaret, it's Cabernet. And I'm just going to pat this onto the outside corner. Not in my crease, just to the outer corner, just to kind of darken that a bit. Really, really subtle. You know how I just liked my outer edges just to be a bit more smoky and darker. Just added a little bit of eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, just to define my, like the root of my lashes. Now I'm going to add some eyeliner in my waterline. So I'm going to take one of the shadow sticks, and this is called Rich Caviar. Normally I'd wear black, but because I just feel like this is such a soft look, I don't want to go completely black, and this is like a nice, it's quite a dark brown, almost black. You see, very pigmented. Again, once this is in your waterline, it's not going to budge. Okay, then I'm going to take another pencil brush, which looks like that, and I'm going to take this shade here, the darkest one in the palette, called Cabernet. I mean, are we going French? Are we not? I don't know. And I'm going to go from under my lashes, smoking it out. And because that eyeshadow stick hasn't set yet, it's kind of blended with that, which I kind of like that look. Because it's just helping to smoke that out. And adding a bit of a shimmer under there. And you need to be quite quick with this if you want to smoke it out with the eyeshadow stick before it sets. this shade here, Truffle. It's a bit of a shimmer. And I'm going to go just in my inner corners, just add to that highlight a tiny bit. And I'm just going to take a pencil brush again and just bring that out. That just adds that extra little bit of twinkle. And then I'm going to finish the eye look with some mascara. So I'm going to take the Smoky Eye Mascara, obviously. I love this mascara because you can just build on top of it if you need to. It doesn't flake and go all clumpy, but it's also just a really nice everyday mascara. Okay, and that is the finished look. So I really like this look, and I just love this palette because it's like, it's just really nice. Like, these are all subtle shimmers, so they're not like super pigmented. You can just keep on building them if you want them to be super pigmented, but they're just really nice, like a really nice everyday usable palette you can take with you. I just think it's so pretty, and the packaging is amazing. So I hope you like this look, and I'll speak to you soon.